Investigators say 6 people went overboard and at least 3 of them have died. And just a short time ago, family members tell us a 4th person has died.
Francisca Adames' eyes filled with tears just hours after her husband died.
He told me last night he go fishing, one of the people. So I'm not cancer, but I see why you go over there. It's not time, the weather, you know.
Her husband, Cecilio Adames, was on a fishing trip Sunday morning with 5 other friends in the Ambrose Channel near Breezy Point, Queens.
10 o'clock in the morning, I call him. I say, everything okay? He say, oh, it's a lot of wind. Oh, everything is dangerous. I say, thank God you're not bringing my daughter. Go the time, she go with him. He say, no, it's far away, like 25 miles. So, and then disappear.
Officials say they got a call for a boat in distress around noon, sending all 6 people overboard. Rescue boats deployed as divers search the icy water. The Coast Guard says 4 of the 5 people rescued were unresponsive. Police say they were all men. So many questions as to what happened on that boat, and Adames' family remembering the man who was their rock.
He's that man, and everybody will remember him as that man because he always risked his life trying to help other people.
Right now, the Coast Guard, along with the NYPD, are investigating the circumstances surrounding the overturned boat. Yeah, Natalie, 2 of those victims are recovering here at this hospital. One is in critical condition. The other is stable. Now, this all happened around noon today in the Ambrose Channel near Staten Island. Officials say they got a call for a boat in distress in the water. Now, it's unclear what happened here, but sources say the boat overturned, sending all 5 people on board into the water. Now, NYPD divers searched the area, pulled the passengers. Unfortunately, 3 of them were pronounced dead. Now, at this hour, Coast Guard, along with the NYPD, are investigating this incident and exactly what happened here. Again, 3 people have died. Their identities not being released at this time, and 2 of those survivors are here on Staten Island.
The Coast Guard is looking for that one person. They say he went missing about 5 miles off the coast of Staten Island. They're also telling us that he's likely still in these dark waters. The U.S. Coast Guard also tells us that 3 people are confirmed dead tonight. 2 people are actually in the hospital. This all started just before noon. The NYPD got a distress call about a boat taking on water in Ambrose Channel. That's just off Staten Island. The U.S. Coast Guard, NYPD, and FDNY, they rushed here to help. When they got to the scene, 6 people were in that water. The boat had already overturned in Breezy Point. Now, rescuers pulled 5 people out. 3 of them just didn't make it. They were pronounced dead at a hospital in Sandy Hook, New Jersey. The 2 survivors, they were airlifted to Staten Island University Hospital. One of them is in critical condition tonight. The other is in stable condition. And of course, tonight, 1 person is still missing. The water right now is just frigid. The temperature is somewhere in the 30s. Even a few minutes in these temperatures can be life-threatening. And right now, police, they just don't know what caused this incident. They say no other vessel was involved in this incident. That tonight has left 3 people dead, 2 people in the hospital, and 1 person still missing in these frigid waters.